is Teresa. I come from London. I'm Italian. I decided to come here for a surgeon, for blepharoplastic surgeon, and I decided to try with this company, Marmara, and that's it. I do now, and we see. And finally, I speak about my experience here with this Marmara agency. Really, I found reliable people. They was really kind with me. The result is what I thinking, and they did what I want. Thank you, Mama. Really, we see soon for other things to do.